I feel like what can be incredibly exhausting, dear Aquarius, is trying really hard to pull people out of where they're at, in particular mentally. That's very difficult to do, and it's draining and it's exhausting. I want you to recognize how you're doing this in your life, not only with other people, but also with yourself. Your power is to be present in the here and now. Let's say somebody is, kind of drowning in their own thoughts, which we all have a tendency to do at times. Instead of trying to change it and get them to see things positively and see things in a better way, stop. Be present. Bring your attention to feeling sensations in the inner energy field of the body. I want you to, embody the body? I think that's, something like that. Be in the body. Be present. Allow the other person and or yourself to be exactly where they're at. The allowing piece is what gives the validation. And when there's validation, the person or yourself feels heard and seen. And when there's the feeling of being heard and seen, if there's a shift that needs to take place, that's where it'll take place. But not by force, not by pushing, not by hoping or wishing. And come on, you got to see the positive. And that stuff's exhausting. What do I say, flogging a dead horse? It's a horrible thing to say, isn't it? Gosh, I take that one back. Never mind. You get what I'm trying to say. We'll remove that one. There it is. Thank you.